guys, I'm going to be riding my hoverboard, and I'm going to show y'all how I ride. Let's get to it.
Closing in on third place on the Saints all-time rushing list. And how about the names out in front that he's closing in on? Because Deuce McAllister was the #1 guy for them. Number 2 was George Rogers, who won Heisman Trophy games at South Carolina. And Dalton Hatcher, last year played against Dalton in college. And you were at LSU, you were at Tennessee, and you won that game against him your senior year, didn't you? No, actually, I was a freshman that year. He might have been a senior, but we got him that time. Second down, Ingram. Yeah, he'll be taken down at the 44. They only got a couple on that one, so not a ton of help. They'll have a 3rd and 8 forthcoming. Got to get to the 26 for a first. That's a 3rd down. So many times we look at a short run and we praise the offense and try to set themselves.
Hey guys, and comment down below. Comment down below if you have a hoverboard. Give me some more challenges, something like that. You know